ability of material to resist deformation due to stress is called. Answer: stiffness. Ability of material to resist fracture due to high impact load is called. Answer: toughness. Etching solution used for medium and high carbon steel, pyrolytic steel and cast iron is. Answer: pickerel, 5% picric acid and ethyl alcohol. Property of material due to which they can be drawn into wires is called. Answer: ductility. Ability of material to undergo large permanent deformation in tension is called. Answer: plasticity. Ability of material to retain the deformation permanently is called. Answer: plasticity. Ability of material to resist penetration by another material is called. Answer: hardness. Property of material due to which it can be rolled or hammered into thin sheets is called. Answer: malleability. Property of material due to which it breaks with little permanent distortion is called. Answer: brittleness. Last one, silicon when added to copper increases. Hardness and strength. Thanks for watching. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிடுங்க.